Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I decided to film another fun week in the life during quarantine, just bringing you guys along with me through my day-to-day and through everything I'm up to. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. It was my first ever week in the life and I had a lot of fun working on it. Today I am just working behind my computer right now. I'm wearing this fun green dress. It's from ASOS and it's really loose fitting and comfortable, so it's kind of my working from home dress. I wear it all the time. It's long and flowy. I'll show you a video of it. But yeah, that's just what I'm up to. Answering some emails, doing some work for Making It in Manhattan, and I am doing a fun virtual podcast recording tonight, so I'll show you guys some of that. But a side note, my nails are struggling so hard right now. As some of you guys might know, my nails are real, so these long nails that I have, they are my real nails. So not being able to go to the salon has been really a struggle. I know, first world problem, sorry. But so I just ordered 2 powder dip kits, but I don't know when they're gonna be here. It said like 7 to 10 days, so I'm really struggling. The gel is like, as you can see, grown all the way out and my nails are starting to bend, so it's actually pretty painful. So wish me luck. I have another video that I did a couple months ago about my nails and how I keep them long and my nail care routine. So I'll link that below if you're interested in nail growth or in keeping your nails long and strong. But now I am gonna go get ready and shoot something. I had a phone call this morning for work and then I have another phone call at 3 o'clock. And then I have a virtual podcast tonight. So stay tuned, I'll be bringing you along for all the fun. So now I'm just getting ready for another at-home photo shoot. I've actually been feeling a little bit uninspired and discouraged the past 2 weeks, I think, just because I've been feeling like I shot in all the cool spaces in my house and I've been trying to stay inspired and make the most out of my space and, you know, use different angles or different corners or things like that, but it's been difficult. So I'm really doing my best to stay inspired and to try and keep things fun and fresh and different, especially when I've been inside the same 4 walls for 3 months, maybe? It's crazy, I'm losing track, but I'm excited about today's outfit. I already picked out my look that I'm shooting. I kind of have my hair and makeup done already. But yeah, I'm gonna talk you through my outfit now because sometimes I get asked about kind of like my process and how I pick out my outfits, so let's do it. Okay, so I'm really excited about today's look. I got this Nike sequined sweatshirt forever ago and I have never worn it. So I was going through my closet today and I found it and I was like, you know what? I feel like it's kind of a cool working from home look, especially since I don't really shoot in sweats a lot, but I'm obviously gonna dress it up. And so I'm pairing it with this fun sequin Cynthia Rowley skirt. And I just think it's like a cool contrast to the sweatshirt. And then, of course, for shoes, I was kind of torn between doing sneakers or doing regular shoes, so I might shoot both. But these shoes are from this brand. It's called Corel, and they did a collab with this other brand called Surrettes that I actually wear a lot, and that's really, really fun. And so these shoes, yes, they look a little bit beat up because I wear them a lot, but I love it because they say magic shoes on them. So yeah, so look, it says magic. And then this one says shoes, so when you wear them they say magic shoes, and I just think that they're so fun. And I'm thinking that I might style them with like a sock, so I think it'll make for like a cool working from home vibe look. And it all started by when I found the sweatshirt. That's how I started this look. I was inspired, I saw the sweatshirt, and then I at first wanted to pair it with a gold bottom because of the gold, but then I saw this and I felt like it worked. And then of course the gold shoes to tie it all together. So just gonna throw on some lipstick, change, and then get started. So I just finished shooting. This was the final look. I did add socks and I rolled up the sweatshirt when I was shooting it. So you can head on over to my Instagram if you want to see the final shots. I'm now just going to eat some lunch, edit some TikToks, and then get ready for my virtual podcast later at 6 p.m. So I just finished the virtual recording for Girl Gaze podcast with Paige, Taylor, and Margot, and it was so much fun. Honestly, nights like these when I can just chat with some of my friends, even though it's virtual, is so much fun. So I can't wait for the podcast to come out. Should be coming out this Sunday. So now Dave and I are just heading to Target to pick up some essentials we need. My hair is tucked into my sweater. No, I did not cut my hair. It looks a little short, but I did not. And I'm just wearing this fun Nike sweatshirt that I actually shot today. Yeah, casual but cute. So we just got back from grocery shopping. We ended up not going to Target because the line was crazy long. It was like around the block. So we ended up going to Costco instead. Just got a few different things. I ended up actually getting flowers for a photo shoot I'm doing tomorrow. And now we're probably just gonna make something for dinner and watch a movie or something. Hey guys, so I just woke up about an hour ago. I have actually been downstairs for the past hour cleaning my couch because Dave always wakes up before me every morning, and he wakes up and he feeds the cats. And not too long after, he ran into the room to wake me up because my kitten Fitz ate too fast and threw up all over the couch. So I have been downstairs just cleaning the couch, trying to get the stain out / make sure it didn't stain. So luckily it seems like it's not staining, but I was really worried. Also, I was worried about him because I was like, is he feeling okay and things like that? But he gets very excited in the morning when he eats, so I think he just ate too quick and got sick. So anyway, that's where I've been, and now I have a consulting call with one of my clients that I do consulting for in about 30 minutes. So for the next 30 minutes leading up to it, I'm just gonna go sit behind my computer and check emails and kind of like start my day. So I'll see you later. So I just finished my consulting call with one of my clients, and now I am gonna be shooting something special. I got this package from Alice and Olivia, so I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys, and then I'm gonna shoot the look, and I'm really excited. So this is the full look. How gorgeous is this? I'm actually helping Alice and Olivia promote their sample sale that's going on this week. So they sent me this fun look to wear to shoot, and it's so gorgeous. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna shoot it outside in my front yard. So let's see how that goes. I'm just gonna go upstairs and do my hair, makeup, and get ready. But this print is just everything. It's so, so gorgeous. So I'm getting ready to shoot the Alice and Olivia look. I really love how it came together. I'm wearing these sunnies, paired it with this fun beaded necklace. I'm using some fun, cool props, some flowers. Good morning, guys. So I am just about to go do a little treadmill workout down in my basement. I'm wearing this fun workout set that's from SoulCycle. I miss doing SoulCycle so much. If you guys know me, you know I do SoulCycle all the time, so definitely missing my SoulCycle. But going down the basement, doing a little workout. These are my other glasses that I work out with a lot. They are vintage Ray-Bans that I got off eBay, and then I took them to Lens Crafters and they put my prescription in them. But they are just like super light. They're more, I guess they're plastic, but they're like tortoise shell. And then I'm using this little fun scrunchie. It's from this brand called Teleties, and they stay so well. I'm literally only using one, and as you might be able to see, they're like that fun plastic, kind of like I describe it like a telephone cord, like an old telephone cord. But anyway, they stay super good. So I'm gonna go do my treadmill workout now, and I'll see you later. So guys, I'm doing a little unboxing right now. I'm working with HBO Max for the premiere of their new show called Love Life, and tonight they're doing a virtual premiere. So they sent me, oh my gosh, so many goodies. to celebrate from my home for the premiere, so let's see what they sent. Before I open these, I just want to show you guys how cute is this packaging. I'm so excited for the Love Life premiere tonight. Thank you so much, HBO Max. Super excited to celebrate tonight with Dave and just enjoy the virtual premiere. So this is a little virtual invitation for the premiere tonight. Let's see. So excited, and they sent us a bunch of goodies. They sent us this kit to make our own pizza and cocktails for tonight. So for tonight, on top of the pizza and cocktail making kit, HBO Max also sent us these amazing candles that spell out love and these adorable wine glasses. They're so pretty. So, full disclosure, I am not a makeup artist or the best at makeup, but that's why I like to keep it pretty simple. Also, I get sent a lot of different products, so I'm always changing what I use, but the basis of what I do is pretty much always the same, and then I'll pretty much rotate through different foundations and blushes and highlighters and things like that. So, first things first, I'm going to start with foundation. Lately, I've been going between two different foundations. I have this one from Laura Mercier, and it's called the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. And then I have the Revlon Photo Candid Foundation, which I've also been using. So I've been rotating between these two, and they're really good. They get the job done. I like them a lot. I'm usually like a medium or a medium tan skin tone, depending on the time of year and depending on, you know, summer and all that fun stuff. So I'm just starting out, I'm taking my foundation, just kind of pretty much put it in different spots around my face, just like that, nothing too crazy. Just trying to cover all of my bases. And then I just use a beauty blender. I really need a new one actually, I've had this one a pretty long time. But then I just use a beauty blender and I just blend it all in. So, just like this. I always make sure to blend into my neck a little bit, just to make sure, cover all my bases. Hey guys, so as you know, I have an exciting night for the premiere of Love Life with HBO, and they sent me a lot of fun goodies to celebrate, so I just put on these cool earrings and then this feathery top. It's from this small French brand called Surette. So now I'm headed into my kitchen. They sent us a pizza to make, so Dave and I are gonna make a pizza tonight, and then the show premieres at 9 p.m. So can't wait. So we're about to make dinner for the Love Life premiere. They sent us a little pizza making kit. Super excited. Looks delicious. This is Dave, my boyfriend. We've been together for what? 6 years? Yeah? This is my date for the night for our virtual TV premiere. Before it goes in the oven, voila, here is the final pizza. We did not burn it and it looks and smells amazing. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Look at these garlic knots. Dave and I are going in tonight for our premiere. Look at our cute little bar and our cute little bartender. Hey guys, so it is Friday and I'm gonna be honest, I literally forgot to vlog all day. I'm so sorry. I'm still new to this whole day in the life vlogging situation. But what did I do today? I filmed some TikToks, I got ready for Cosmos with Caroline, and I packed because Dave and I are actually heading to the beach now for Memorial Day weekend. I actually just finished Cosmos with Caroline. It was super fun, and now Dave and I are literally jumping in his car, threw our bags in, and we're headed to the beach for Memorial Day weekend. My family has a beach house, so we're gonna go spend it there. I don't know if the beaches are gonna be open or if we're gonna even be able to go to the beaches, but we just want some time out of this house and away, and just to smell the summer breeze, and the beach breeze is my favorite thing in the world. So I'm gonna wrap up this week in the life vlog here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am actually gonna vlog my whole Memorial Day weekend trip, so stay tuned for that. I'm really excited to just get away for a little bit, and I can't wait to bring you guys along with me. So I will see you soon.